Okay, so before you want to off-road, you must make sure your car is still in condition. You must set gasket now. One in name, you make one sanister.
Gasket.
Now one in name blue.
Cosi.
Okay, America. Timing set pen is. La pull him out few lines now. Better get more parts to blah blah line more good na clean na put go back.
We're red, black and gold. We're living in paradise. Island where the sun meets the sea. It's paradise. The Pacific Island jewelry. Paradise. Blessed with Mama caught in me. I will never leave or trade it. Oh, born in PNG, yeah. And blessed with me. Oh, born in PNG, yeah. That's home to me. I will never leave or trade it. Oh, born in PNG. Blessed blow me where me lewa star. Ba mi so one him just like me now. Nona ba mira si mape mo get that time from poor get a mindset about a matter bay. Lo yeah me come up na lo yeah ba me die. Oh yeah, mangi stop ya, me galap ya, kissing water na, ino inap ya. When him kind water talk, sabe ba me come na. Nona ba me talking music, could blow me stop ya. Style backside, I'm from the east side. Mangi and boom, cold water, kiss him left eye. All get a blessed by. We're living in paradise. Island where the sun meets the sea, it's paradise. The Pacific Island jewelry, paradise. Blessed with Mama caught in me. I will never leave or trade it. Oh, born in PNG, yeah. And blessed with me. Oh, born in PNG, yeah. That's home to me. I will never leave or trade it. Oh, born in PNG. 675 to the day I die. Monkey PNG let the knuckle fly. Me and my master must never me cry. 675 to the day I die. Monkey PNG let the knuckle fly. Me and my master must never me cry. We're living in paradise.
Gasket people. Well. Yeah. En para usar internet butikolo. Sait pinis en bon para usar gasket usar toit gasket en dislawane. En paragraf en oil wara what about.
Try put go back and you look him little.
En bon place en sinu power.
All right, we pretty much taken out the head and everything we wanted to do. So yeah. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pretty much clean the entire thing up, the surface and everything. Here's the engine head and all the parts aligned. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those injectors off. You see the one for number 4 doesn't seem to be having fuel in there. It's gonna have some blockage on the pipe somewhere. We'll check that out later. Yeah. I've sent the boys up to the auto parts to get the gaskets and new seals down. So, yeah, start the cleaning.